Looks like we have another package. Guess we're gonna have to find out what it is. Alright, I don't know if you guys can tell what they are, but they are adapters. The package is pretty dang good too. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this is what the package was. These are 4x108 to 5x114.3, and the 5x114.3 is the lug pattern on the Altima. And if you guys know, some of you might not, I have ESR rims that I had on the Altima. They are 18 by 9.5 in the front and 18 by 10.5 in the rear. And yeah, the Focus is 4x108. So, as you can guess, I'm going to put the ESRs on the Focus. Most likely they won't fit, and I'll have to do, you know, some rolling, pulling, and probably some cutting, and you know, all that fun stuff, but it'll be worth it, I think. It's gonna look good. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. We're gonna be working on the Focus again. I'm gonna do part 2 of the Eagle Eyes. Forgot what I was saying there for a second. I got a jack, some jack stands, and my oldest, he has a YouTube channel. What's your channel?
And Project Zogo. The mic was took out since it was a little weird.
Alright, I'll put his stuff in the description, but yeah, we're gonna get to it. I'm probably not gonna talk too much. I don't have a reason to, so probably just gonna time lapse the whole thing, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Tire off. I got it jacked up and a jack stand under it. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. If it does, it does. Anyways, yeah, I need to take this hardware out in here so we can get this front bumper off. So I'm gonna get to that and then go to the other side. Alright, we got this side off. Now we're gonna go get the other side off, and then yeah, the bumper will just be hanging. So I'm gonna do that. I should actually just do this side right now. I think I can get in there and get it done. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna get this side done, and then we'll go to the other side. Alright, we ended up just taking the whole darn bumper off. I can definitely get where I need to be now, and I think it'll work out just fine. But yeah, here's what it looks like with the bumper off. Not really sure how well you guys can see with the sun freaking hitting everything, but yeah. Alright, we got all of them in. Just waiting on Carter to figure out how to tighten that. That's the wrong way, bud. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
I know. I fucking did it. Oh, there we go. Wait. Okay, that's getting annoying.
Alright, so unfortunately I had to take the color changing LEDs that I had in the bumper off. I didn't have to take them off, but when I flipped the bumper up like this, it kind of ripped half of them off. So yeah, they're coming off. The pods have plenty of room to let it flip down. So, but yeah, we're gonna get the holes drilled, get these things on, and put the bumper back on. I got all the wires twisted together here. It's so hard to do because these wires are freaking tiny, but they're twisted together. And then the turn signal wires I'm going to use are right here. There's 3 of them. I'm going to use these ones, the wires from there, since there's 3 wires to them, and hopefully it works. And I got my resistors right here. Alright, we're going to test them out. I got them wired up about half-assed, but yeah, we're going to try them and turn them on to just the parking lights for right now and see what happens. You can see my mess of wiring there. Alright, looks like we got 2 of them on amber and 2 of them on white. Oh, that one's flashing. What the hell? That one's flashing too. Okay, so I must have wired them wrong. Well, let's see. Turn the turn signal on and see what happens. Of course, it's hyper flashing because I don't have the fingers in there, the resistors, and they're flashing white. Okay, and those ones aren't flashing, so I have some work to do. We got all the wires tidied up in there and all together. Resistor on. Doesn't do anything, but it's there. Yeah. As you can see, the amber is still on. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be just the white, and then when I hit the turn signal, the amber is supposed to come on. I had it wired up, and it worked opposite what it was supposed to. Like the amber was on, hit the turn signal, the amber would go out, the white would come on. But I literally just changed the wires, swapped them, and it still does this. But I really don't care. That's how it's going to be. Still got to wire up this side, and then put the bumper back on together. My son went in the house, so I'm on my own now. I took a break from the Eagle Eyes because those wires are so small, it's such a pain in the ass. But anyway, yeah, I put one of the spacers on, well, adapters, and yeah, she's on. I'm gonna need to get smaller lug nuts for the inside and here, the first part of the spacer, because the ones that are on it are too big. But I mean, everything's just hand tight for right now. I just wanted to get an idea of how wide it's gonna be, and it's pretty thick. So definitely gonna need some over fenders, and these ones are the 9.5s. In the back is gonna be 10.5, so they're gonna be, you know, they're probably gonna be out to here, maybe. But yeah, as soon as I put the car back down, I'm gonna try to put that one on too. I don't know. I have to do some operating back here. Everything's tight, like lug nut wise, but something's jacked up, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. And here you go. Here's from the back side. That thing is out there. But yeah, I'm gonna make them work. Hopefully, maybe not. If I can't make them work, they will be for sale. I will keep you guys updated. Well, I ran out of time. It's not really getting dark out yet, but I kind of want to spend a little bit of my weekend with my kids and my wife. And yeah, I got the passenger side wired all up, and I got the driver's side in but not wired up. Don't mind the bumper fitment, it's crap again because I literally just threw it back together fast. But yeah, I'm gonna fix that when I take it back apart, probably tomorrow, maybe even the next day. And yeah, we're gonna wire this side up. So I'll show you guys what the passenger side looks like. Like I said, it's not the way I wanted it to be. Like, I had it wired up and it was working right, it was just the wrong colors. I literally just switched 2 wires and it went to shit. So it is what it is. But here's what they'll look like during the just parking lights on. It's hard to see because it's daylight out, but it'll have both amber and white on. You can really only see the white because it's super bright. And then I'll set you guys down and go hit the turn signal. That's what it's going to look like with the turn signal on. Like I said, still hyper flashing like crazy, and I have 2 resistors on this one actually, and it's still doing that. So whatever, I don't even care how I'm, you know, gonna get pulled over all the time anyway, so screw it, right? I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. I say cold start, but it's like 50 degrees out. It's beautiful. But yeah, haven't had the car started since last video when I started it, so yeah, I'm just gonna get you guys a cold start. I'm gonna let it warm up and get some cinematics of the passenger side that I got done, and yeah, that's it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this upload. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Check me out on Instagram at @justanother_cardude. I'll see you guys on the next one.